Let's make quick and easy Oreo fudge, and I am sharing some tips as well. Take 200 gram white chocolate. I have used white chocolate compound here. Take it in a microwave safe bowl. Now add 1.5 tablespoon condensed milk in it. And 1 tablespoon fresh cream. Some recipes suggest only condensed milk, but I think it would be too sweet, so I added fresh cream. Microwave it for 30 to 40 seconds as per your microwave settings. You can use double boiler method. Add 5 to 6 crushed Oreo biscuits in it. Please follow the measurements. If cream and condensed milk quantity increase, your fudge becomes thin and sticky. Spread it evenly and sprinkle some crushed Oreo. It's completely optional. Keep it in refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. It came out perfectly. Now your Oreo fudge is ready to eat. Kids would love it. Try this recipe and you will not regret.